Welcome to this comprehensive guide on quality control for measuring and testing equipment in industrial settings. In today's session, we will walk you through the essential processes of controlling, calibrating, and maintaining testing equipment, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. Quality control is the backbone of manufacturing excellence. It begins with the meticulous management of inspection, testing, and examination equipment. Every piece of equipment must be identified, controlled, and calibrated according to the manufacturer's instructions and industry standards. This ensures precision and accuracy in every measurement. Let's start with equipment control. All measuring tools should have a unique permanent identification mark. If marking directly isn't possible, use tags or labels that won't compromise accuracy. This identification is crucial for maintaining detailed records, which should include equipment ID, calibration procedures, intervals, results, next due date, responsible personnel, and location. For high-accuracy tools, additional environmental and maintenance data are necessary. Next, we'll delve into measurement standards and equipment adequacy. Calibration errors must not exceed 25% of the tolerance of the parameter being measured, unless specific exceptions apply. Calibration intervals should be based on the equipment's usage, stability, and purpose. Now let's focus on pressure measuring devices. These devices must be accurate within 0.2% of the full-scale range, with gauges displaying test pressure between 20% and 80% of full scale. Calibration should be conducted using a master device or deadweight tester at 3 equidistant points. Initially, set the calibration intervals at 3 months, but be prepared to adjust based on the calibration history to ensure ongoing reliability and compliance. By following these guidelines, you can instill confidence in your ability to uphold high standards in quality control. Remember, precision is not just a requirement, it is a commitment to excellence in every aspect of production. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video. We hope you've gained valuable insights into maintaining the accuracy and reliability of your measuring and testing equipment. Continue to prioritize accuracy and adherence to industry standards to ensure the success of your operations. Until next time, keep striving for excellence in all your quality control efforts. For further details, please feel free to contact us.